My name is Leonie Castillo, and I am a lead business operations analyst at USAA. So in the area that I work in CFO, we handle gathering data from across the enterprise. We gather that information for our financial statements. I think the biggest benefit is so much manual work is eliminated. People have emails that they use to send information. So they're sending emails with attachments, and putting their process in the platform allows them to not have to do that anymore. So that eliminates having to do data collections to get that information manually. If we didn't have it, I think people would be really inundated with trying to do their job.